Hi everyone, Matt here again with the ABI Dirt. Thanks for joining us again today. Last time you were with us, or maybe you weren't with us, but I was here. Last time we talked about the Arena Rascal Pro, talked about the history and how it's been around for 20 years now, and it's been built specifically for you if you have an ATV or UTV and that's all that you've got and you want to take great care of your arena. Today, I want to actually talk you through kind of component by component so you can get your eyes on the product and we can see how it works and how the different ground engaging components work in conjunction. We'll talk even some of the adjustability there that gives you all kinds of control so that you can modify the tool in all kinds of arena types. Let's take a look. Here we are with the Arena Rascal Pro. I know it looks a bit different because we don't have our tongue in right now. Forgive me there. We're going to talk through piece by piece of this Arena Rascal Pro so you can get an idea of how the different components and adjustments work together. We'll start at the front of the tool here and work our way back. You can see that up front here we have got kind of a square tube receiver. That is for the square tongue that fits in. Square tongue goes up to your tow vehicle, your four-wheeler, your side-by-side. It comes standard with a drop pin hitch. However, we do have ball hitch available if you are so inclined. If you've got other things on your property, the way to think of it, how do I know if you want the drop pin hitch or a ball hitch? What's currently on the back of your four-wheeler? If it's drop pin, use drop pin. If you have a ball back there already, that's probably what you need. So front hitch up here, this piece, ignore it. Sorry, this is a trade show unit. So this actually holds TVs and TVs don't come standard with the Arena Rascal Pro. As you move backward, the first component that actually touches the soil is the gauge wheel. And remember, here at ABI Attachments, the tires aren't just tires, they're gauge wheels. They're darn near magical, all right? Not only do they allow you to transport this attachment across your property without tearing up driveway or lawn or barn or this, that, and the other, because you can actually get the ground engaged components off the ground, but then once you're in your arena, once you set the depth here and you mark the depth so you know how deep you want to go in your arena, you can keep a consistent depth with your ground engaging components. And we can talk all about that. In fact, I think there's some customer support videos here at ABI Attachments about how to do that. So remember, not just tires. They are gauge and transport wheels. They keep your property looking nice and they give your footing a nice consistent depth. To adjust the depth of these gauge wheels, we have got on this unit already installed an electric actuator. Now, I'm going to talk about options in the next episode, but the electric actuator allows you to, with the wiring harness that connects up to your tow vehicle, allows you to sit on your tow vehicle and raise and lower the Arena Rascal Pro from the seat of your tow vehicle. Remember, this is an option. When you receive, or if you've recently received an Arena Rascal Pro and you did not upgrade to the electric actuator, what you have in its place right here is actually this exact same square jack that allows you to manually crank the gauge wheels up and down to raise and lower the tool so that you can transport it or find that right depth in your arena. So this is the transport and depth gauge system. Next ground engaging component on the Arena Rascal Pro is this mid-mount section. There are a couple of things that can go here. What's currently installed is the profile blade. Now we've got this profile blade installed to show you how the profile blade can ride under your footing right across the top of your base to keep that base clean. So this is something that we invented actually here at ABI Attachments to ride across that base, clean your base. Also here in this mid-mount section, you've got scarifiers and even food plot discs available. But the profile blade and the scarifiers come standard. You can see here that we've got 4 different depth options. So in addition to these stabilizing wheels, these gauge wheels, being able to help you control your depth, you can also control depth by changing where these components are pinned in. Now you can see that these profile blades are nosed down a little bit. The angle of this component is completely adjustable by this center top link or turnknuckle here in the middle of the tool. As you extend or contract this turnknuckle, this entire frame pitches forward or back, allowing you to change the angle of this mid-mount component. Why is that helpful? Well, depending on what you've got pinned in here, you might need a different angle of engagement. The profile blade needs to run completely parallel to your base, whereas the scarifiers need to have about a 35 or 40 degree angle of engagement to really penetrate hardpan. So that's what this adjustment feature is for on this mid-mount component. The last ground engaging component on the Arena Rascal Pro is the finish rake here in the back. This is a 1/2 inch thick AR-235 abrasive resistant steel. This finish rake is what allows you to take care of all of the clods and bust up all the clods that are brought up from this mid-mount component. So if anything came up, that can break those up. It also gives a nice signature finish through your Arena, so it gives you that kind of that corduroy look that ABI attachments are known for. And this also, when used in the Arena, has the ability to re-firm up that top footing. So remember, whatever this mid-mount component breaks up, whatever it loosens, whatever it aerifies and breaks up the compaction in your footing, this finish rake then not only kind of levels out that surface, but also allows you to press some of the air back out. And you can control how much pressure you're putting on this finish rake and control how much air is left in your footing by this second square jack here. So this square jack allows you to control the angle of engagement on this finish rake so that you can either press more air out or allow your footing to keep more air in it as you're grooming your Arena on a regular basis. That's all I've got today, everyone. I hope that gives you a decent idea of how the different components on that Arena Rascal Pro work in conjunction to give you the maximum amount of control when you're working in your Arena or other places around your property. As always, remember, we've got an in-house team of customer service representatives as well as factory reps that can talk you through the best setup and the best situation and ground engage component for the application you're in. So whether you're looking at an Arena Rascal Pro that you don't have yet, but you will because you want one, or whether you already have one and you just have some questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. See you next time.